speaking to the couple in this motorhome just coming up on the inside of us on the boat. So here we go then, we're back in the UK.
And it's lovely weather.
Down the ramp, 3 weeks. So it's pretty quiet on the ferry today, to be honest. Pretty empty. No, there's a lot of trucks there. Yeah, certainly a lot of trucks going over. There's a few motorhomes down over that way. I don't know. You had a little camera.
Continue straight ahead.
Have we been spotted? So there it is then. From the white cliffs of Rügen, northern Germany, to Dover in the UK. I might go this side actually. I'm gonna go this side. Are they gonna stop me or not? No, don't think so. We'll go around there. Okay, thanks a lot. Straight on. Just like a flash, it was all over. But I keep getting flashbacks of some of the things that happened on the way. Heineken. Don't worry, it's orange squash. It's school night, Sunday night. The come down after the trip. And what a trip. Hey guys, anybody that followed us on the trip, appreciate you watching along, coming along, watching the journey. I know there's a lot of you that's been watching the trip and put a lot of comments in all on the way. That helps me a hell of a lot because I know people are like watching it. We do it for inspiring motorhome trips, do you know what I mean? So that's what we do it for. And you know me, I try and keep it really current. It's really hard work. Anybody that makes YouTube videos knows how much work goes into trying to construct a video and throw it together in super fast time and try and keep some reasonable content. Did we do that? Anyway, it was like drop in for us on Friday. I drove from Holland on the coast there, and we came back down to Calais, got the crossing over 2:30, so it was a bit of a last minute one. We got a crossing on Friday morning. It was literally right, ready to go, let's do it. So booked the crossing, let's go. And we were kind of like pretty lucky really, because the M25 was having a lot of trouble on Saturday with that bridge. They were doing the closure and stuff, so it probably worked out to our advantage really, which I was kind of like aware of. I was kind of sort of like, that could be a bit of a nightmare on the Saturday, could be like traumatic, a lot of traffic on Saturday going into London. So anyway, we had a really good run. It was a fair old drive. I think I ended up with 4 hours, I think it was 5 hours sleep on Thursday night stroke Friday morning, so a bit of a drive on then as well. So we managed to literally get back to Devon, and then I do lights out, but we done it, and that's all that matters. But anyway, so full on day today for me, a little bit of respite yesterday, and then full on the motorhome, cleaning it back up, getting some sort of order. It's surprising just in 3 weeks the amount of like dust and debris that you kind of like accumulate on a trip. But anyway, I've been busy, 9 hours on this little baby today, and we're kind of nearly in back some sort of order really. As regards the trip, I've been sat here for a while in this driver's seat, and it was one hell of a ride. I'm sort of like looking around here now. I've been sort of just like I say, cleaning my dashboard and cleaning everything up today, and getting it all squeaky clean, and just thinking to myself, you know, we kept like saying like this little baby again has absolutely done us proud. It's been a epic 3-week roller coaster trip, and the stuff you kind of see in that short amount of time is just like unbelievable. And that's exactly what you do with motorhomes. You know, you find these little places, and some of the things I'm probably going to go into a little bit, you know, probably do another little talk on some of the places and stuff. If anybody's got any questions on some of the places that we stopped, be careful in Bremen, because it makes horrible brown stains on your roof under them trees in that camper park at Bremen. But I'm going to have to actually watch back some of my YouTube videos and see what the hell happened. Like I say, occasionally when you're doing stuff like that on the road, making videos, you sort of like don't have a lot of time to look around, and I do it for the kill. Do you know what I mean? Everybody knows that I love doing it, and pretty sort of full on working kind of like thing. But absolutely unbelievable people on the trip. You know who you are. We met so many people on this trip. Absolutely fantastic people. The places, the people, the stuff we've seen, hospitality from people, and absolutely incredible. And it probably won't be long. You know what I'm like. It won't be long. Probably by the end of the week, I'll probably be constructing some new stickers. Constructing some new stickers. We've still got a few Holland ones, I think, kicking around. The Holland trip, the yeah, so but what an absolute fantastic trip. And if anybody, like I say, has got any questions or need a little push to go, I'm just going to mention a couple of people. Steve and Kath, they are actually down in Portugal with Caroline was just actually catching up with them on Facebook, and they did the Can Frank on the way down. They did a few stops that we went to on the way down, and it sort of, I think, give them a little bit of a push to go and do a trip. And I think, guys, you're probably enjoying yourselves down in Portugal. So give us a comment, Kath. She normally comments on a few videos when she's got time. And Linda and Clive have just done their little maiden voyage to France, so we're really keeping our fingers crossed they enjoy themselves. I think they're bedding in to the trip. We haven't heard much, but we seen a couple of posts on Facebook. So Linda and Clive, I hope you guys are ripping France apart and having a great time. And next time, maybe you need to go to Rügen, where we went up at northern Germany. It was on my little bucket list of the trip, and obviously we tried to compress a massive amount of little things into the trip, and it was an absolute. When you were kind of like get all them little elements compressed into a trip, 3 weeks just evaporates into an absolute hell of a trip. And anyway, guys, I think just one last thing before I go. I came back, and last night I actually had the fish and chips from M&S. They do that Finest or something like that, or I don't know what they call it. You know, it's in like a silver box and stuff, and it's got that mushy peas in, I had bread and butter, and yes guys, I actually do miss that. And you can have the most comfortable beds in your motorhome. I don't know what it is, but when we got back, I think you're just majorly tired maybe, but when you get back and you get that nice food, you get a good night's sleep, and you just want to do it all again. So until next time guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in the week probably.